Good afternoon, you guys. Pete Navarro again from HyperBoost. Anyway, today I am installing a new radio to the Evo 10 because the stock radio that it had from 2008. Now, mind you, this is the first iteration of the Evo 10, so it still had the old Rockford Fosgate system in it, CD player, and it doesn't have Bluetooth. So anyway, I wanted to keep it as stock as possible, but I was driving around the other day and then the radio went out, gave me this error DC message on the LCD screen, and I couldn't reset it. So according to all the forums, the Evo forums, the radio is gone. It's kaput. Nothing you can do. I unplugged the battery, reset the whole thing, doesn't work, so it's gone. So anyway, I'll show you what radio that I'm going to install, but first of all, I'm going to show you what I did first to remove the radio. So the Evo is already kind of like in pieces, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I did. All right, so this is intact right here. This was intact right here. So I just kind of peeled that open. There's a screw right there that's holding on the faux carbon fiber plate that I had across the dashboard of my Evo 10. Just pops right out. And make sure it makes it easier if you just open the glove box. And then to take out the hazard and the airbag light, warning light is right here. You just have to basically 3 screws. You have 1, 2, and 3 screws down here, and that has been removed, and easy to pop this thing out and then pull it back, and the hazard light will come right off. So the radio is exposed. I already took out the first 2 screws down here on the bottom, and then I'm going to go ahead and remove these right here. All right, so let's see if this thing comes out. Oh yeah, slides right out. Holy smokes. Okay, so in the back, there's all the controls for the antenna. The antenna's right here. Take that out, and this are the radio controls. Basically, that hook up to that thing over there. So, but we'll go ahead and take these out real quick. It's kind of hard for me to do it with one hand, but let me see if I can. All right, press on that button. So you have to be able to press this little, yeah, that one right there with a screwdriver while you put your fingernails behind this ridge right here. So that ridge, now you just pull it out, and that's what happens. So antenna's already out. The antenna hooks up right in this little hole. It's this antenna cable right here. So we'll just put that out. And let me bring this bad boy out of here. And I'll show you the unit that we're going to install. All right, so I got this actually off of eBay or Amazon? eBay. So I got this radio, LCD Android based tablet. So if I were to go to the dealership and get one of these, it's cost me probably right around maybe just a little bit less than $1,000. Installed maybe a little bit more. But this is the whole faceplate. This will come off like this right here. The AC vents in the back, these will pop right off and then install into this, and this goes back into the car without all this. So let me show you guys what this thing looks like. All right, here we go. So this is the Android tablet. So definitely a big difference from what this is going to be. So obviously no screen. This is just a little bit of an LCD window here. Very primitive controls for the radio and all that stuff. Meanwhile, this thing, everything has here. It also is navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android compatible. Meanwhile, with this one, I had to wire something in. I had to have the rudimentary wiring system from the aux cable all the way to my phone. What's in the box still here? A bunch of cables. So I guess I take it this black thing here is the receiver for the GPS. Bunch of cables which I don't need. And I think it just plugs right into the back. Yeah, sure enough. Plugs right into the back, right in here. See it right here. Direct plug and play. There's different wiring systems. So you have all these aux cables and all that stuff that I don't need that. Auxiliary plugs. So I can put that on. So put some auxiliary plugs in. I don't need that. I have the GPS antenna right here. So I'll kind of have to thread this in from probably behind here and thread it through all the way to the front, and then I'll install it from there. And before we install, okay, I got the power harness. This is the actual power. So I really don't need much. Basically just this power harness right here, wiring harness, plugs right in there. It actually comes with the unit. and then this aux cable right here just for charging. If I wanted to charge another device, I could use this USB cable right here. And then GPS plugs into this, and then the antenna plugs into that. So pretty much I'm done. Holy smokes, that's quick. I'm just gonna move this, okay, to here. So these vents will go here. So I'll show you guys in a few seconds. So it comes with 6 latches, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Obviously the vertical vent controls come with it. So see, it's a whole blank thing just like this one. So I gotta put these 2 back together and slap it on right here. All right, there's one down. So it took a little bit to get it in there because, you know, it's not factory, so it's not absolutely like, you know, the fit wise. I cracked just a little bit down here, but they're still together, still good. Vents work fine. The vertical vents are fine, so it works perfectly. So now we just have to do the other one. Definitely popped right off much better than the other one because I had to never mind. I'll show it when it's installed. With the magic of editing, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And just like that, the vents are on. Antenna is on. Aux cable is on. And now it's time for the install. Holy smokes. Can't wait for this one. This is going to look really good. All right. So the main power cable goes into this. The rest is just going to be tucked in underneath. No need for it. I don't have any steering wheel controls. I don't have a backup camera. I don't want one. So here we go. Oh my God, it is hot as freaking balls out here. I was trying to fit it and it didn't really fit right because I didn't have these. So these white clips are really, really important to reinstall on the new head unit because it just will not fit right, okay? All right, it is on. Overall, not disappointed. Some gapping issues right in here. But then again, you know, I can't be a beggar when it comes to this, you know, whatever. Because again, I'm not expecting it to be 100% factory fit for $150, but you know, my car's not, you know, it's a fun driver for me. That's not gonna bother me in the long run. It bothers me right now, but I'm pretty sure in the long run, it's really not gonna have any issues. But oh man, okay, finally, done. So AC, all vents are working. All right. So before I button it up, I'm gonna test it out, see what's up. Wow, that was a super fast startup. I am impressed by the startup. I mean, I literally clicked on and it fired right up. Oh my gosh, very cool. Oh my Lord, wow, that's cool. All right, so let's see what we got. Oh man, Bluetooth connect. Oh geez, that was super simple, y'all. Super simple. I'm not gonna take off the plastic yet. Very responsive. Oh man, Bluetooth connect. Got apps down here. What? Are you serious, YouTube? All right, full test. Let me button it up. I'm gonna do a full test. All right, boys, we hit a little bit of a snag. So let me show you. Unfortunately, I ran into a problem. See, one thing I did not count on was the original stereo to this had a preamplifier to basically power the speakers. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 speakers in this car, plus a subwoofer in the back. So the subwoofer came with the Rockford Fosgate system that was stock to the car when I bought it back in 2009. So obviously that's not going to work because this only has a wiring harness for the stock car. So basically without the sound package, my car has the sound package. So the stereo on this has the preamplifier. It has a preamp on it. Well, unfortunately, this unit is a tablet that does not have a preamp on it. But I have a solution. So in any case, check this out though, guys. I turn it on. Watch how fast this thing comes on. Boom. Okay. and it's on. You don't have to wait. There's no startup. It literally is on immediately. And the interface on this is pretty amazing. The radio is good. You have Google Maps on this, Bluetooth. It's got graphic equalizer, navigation's right here, or you can use Google Maps. It's got all kinds of apps. It's got YouTube, Google, yeah, got everything. It's got the Play Store, sound, everything. You can even record your own voice. So check this. This is really cool. This is a very nice interface on this. It's fast, it's responsive. So anyway, the solution that I have, one of my good friends, Steve, he owns Dealer's Choice, which is a sound, stereo, wheels, tires, whatever you want to order, you can order from Steve. But he mostly does stereos, audio, video in cars. Anyway, the solution that Steve has is to buy basically a harness system as well as a amplifier, an interface, basically for this to be able to communicate with all the speakers around this vehicle. Again, this vehicle is not the standard Lancer Evo GSR, but because I have a GSR, but it does have the spoiler sunroof. Well, it doesn't have a sunroof, but it's got the SS package, the spoiler and sound system package, which requires that specific interface in order for this stereo, or in order for this infotainment system to actually work. So anyway, you guys, hopefully we get this installed on Thursday, and I'll show you guys Steve's shop and also both of his Jeeps that are out there. It's pretty awesome. And just like that, it's Thursday. So here we are going our way to Dealer's Choice to get the radio installed, my tablet radio, whatever, infotainment system installed in this Evo. So right now, as you can see, I'm driving around without, oh my goodness, she's gutted, boys. She is gutted. But man, sometimes, you know, you just need this glorious sound. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yo, buddy. That is awesome. That's an awesome sound. Man, oh man, that's an awesome sound. But sometimes you do need a soundtrack. You know what I mean? A little downshift. See what we got here. Yeah! Damn! Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. All right, boys, this is it right here. So you can see the Evos right here. Dealer's Choices right here. They are at 1639 West Gulf to Lake Highway here in Lecanto, Florida. And inside now is Steve's working on my radio. He's a little camera shy, so we're not gonna, you know, video him doing it. But anyway, like he's installing the harness now onto the vehicle, or the radio itself, and then we could just pop it right into the vehicle. And see, this is why you go to professionals like this man over here. He's camera shy, so I'm not gonna shoot him. So, but this is unless it's cool with you. He said no. But anyway, this is why you go to professionals like Steve, because he literally finagled 2 wires and, you know, put the interface on and boom, music. I'm telling you guys, for all your audio and video needs, you guys have to come to Dealer's Choice. Again, the address 1639 West Gulf to Lake Highway here in Hernando, Florida. I'm telling you guys, Steve is the man when it comes to this stuff. So, like, he literally knows all that is to know when it comes to this stuff. So make sure you guys come visit Steve over here at Dealer's Choice. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have an audio system. So thanks again to Steve here at Dealer's Choice. Again, 1639 Gulf to Lake Highway here in Lecanto, Florida. Amazing job. Look at that. So anyway, you guys, that concludes the vlog. After I button this all up, we should be good to go. But that concludes the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I sincerely appreciate all the likes, the shares, the subscribes, the like button. You know, please click on that. Well, boys and girls, after all the ordeal of all the stuff that I had to go through to get that tablet radio working on the Evo, thanks to Steve, owner of Dealer's Choice in Lecanto, Florida. Man, look at that truck. That truck looks so good, doesn't it? It's like, but anyway, the Evo is today's subject. So anyway, I got to just button it up. Everything was good. So yeah, it really needed that specific interface, that little computer box that is behind the tablet there. So there's a an interface that's inside. I don't want to pull the thing out again, and it's a pain. We should be good to go, boys. And then we'll do a quick test. So anyway, that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I sincerely appreciate the thumbs up, the likes, the shares, and subscribe. And hopefully I can bring some more content to you guys. I know I haven't been uploading. It's been crazy. My schedule's been nuts. The kids are back in school. You know, I had to take care of something with the truck on a recall issue. Nothing huge. It was more of a headlight thing. And then obviously the radio and the Evo. This was a whole week, this whole ordeal. This video basically took a week long for me to make because of the parts that we had to order. And obviously I had to get in with Steve. He's a busy guy, but he really fit me in today. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Love you.